Hello everyone, welcome to Apricot. Today's recipe is a no-cooking, super easy fruit ladoo. For this, you need some apricot. Just pulse it in a grinder and add it into a large bowl. Also some nuts. Here I've used almonds and cashews. Grind that as well. Now some powdered sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your sweetness. Add some cardamom powder for the flavor. Now mix everything really well. Slightly knead it so that all the nuts and sugar will nicely incorporate into the apricot mix. Now once it forms into a dough like this, grease your palm, take a small portion out of it and roll it into a ladoo. You don't have to add any liquid into it because the apricot it'll be really sticky once it is grinded. You can make ladoos very easily. And the next step is just optional. You can dip it in some powdered sugar. It's so tasty and very healthy. Do try it out. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Apricot and watch more simple and easy recipes from our channel. Thank you.